Welcome to the Featherweight Shop. I'm Carmen, and today we're going to be replacing the bobbin case latch on your Singer Featherweight bobbin case. That's this piece right here. For starters, let's talk about when to replace these. The most obvious is when the latch is broken off. When it's in two pieces like this, it definitely is going to need a new latch. But what if the arm is just loose in the open position, like this one? Well, this latch isn't actually broken. It may just be gummed up on the slide so that it's not returning to the closed position. So let's remove the latch and inspect what the problem may be. In order to remove the latch, you need to remove the latch screw, which is on the inside of the bobbin case. We use the small Vera screwdriver for this, and it's a really tiny screw, so make sure you put it in a magnetic dish like this because it's almost impossible to find that screw if it goes bouncing on the floor. And here you can see what that screw does as we look at the little rectangle inside the bobbin case. We see that as you lift the arm on the latch slides over, but only until the screw touches on the side here. Now, with the screw removed, the arm is lifted, and without that screw in there, the arm will lift all the way up. And with the arm in the up position, the latch will slide completely free from the bobbin case. If the arm is getting stuck in the up position, the slide area may need to be cleaned with kerosene. Or it is possible that the bobbin case latch spring needs replaced as well. This is the spring that causes the latch to return to the closed position. This spring is so tiny that it does occasionally rust and breaks in half. So you can just replace the spring in that scenario, and after cleaning the slide area, the latch should work correctly again. Here I have a new reproduction latch made for our new bobbin case. These were designed according to vintage standards, so it will work with your original bobbin case as well. And whether you are replacing the whole latch or just cleaning it, or even replacing the spring, it goes back on the same way that it came off, and that's with the arm in the upright position. When you slide it on, you need to get it pushed over until the edges line up here. And then the arm will fold down into position, and the latch is in place. But without that screw in there, if you open the arm again, it will slide off. So with the latch back in place, return the screw, and the task is complete. Real quick, let's talk about why this latch would get snapped off. Usually it's caused by inferior bobbins that get the bobbin case stuck onto the hook assembly. And when trying to remove it, too much pressure is applied to this arm until eventually it just snaps. So this video is how to replace that latch, and I hope it helps you do that. But the reality is, if quality bobbins are used, the latch shouldn't break. So I'm including links below to the latch, but also to our bobbins and the reproduction bobbin case. If you have any questions, give us a call here at the shop. We're always glad to help. Have a great day.